Okay, signing with Annature. So you will get an email from NBC Group Services on behalf of Annature, a new e-signature signing system. The email will look very similar to this. If you go into your email, it will give you our logo telling you that it's us. Please be aware, like it will come up, the email address will be from Annature, but please be assured it is NBC. If at any time that you do not feel comfortable with any emails that you would be receiving by NBC, please let us know. Send us the email and say, is this safe, or give us a call on 63620988 and we can help you through that and make sure that no one gets suspiciously hacked or anything. But yeah, so this is Annature, and you'll get a little spiel on what the signature is about, with your tax or activity statement, all that sort of thing. And all you have to do is, once you've read it through that and understand what it's about, press this review documents button here. It will then take you through to Annature system, and it will ask you to review the document or decline. If you do not, at this point, you do want to decline, please feel free to press that button. It will ask you the reason why, and then we can address that as it comes through to our mailbox for why, and we can help you around the obstacle, or won't do it in the future. But if you're happy to do it, which I highly encourage, is review document here. Press this big green button. It shows you documents, and there's two ways to go about this. You can scroll down and press the sign here buttons where that's asking you to sign, or up here you can say in the green button, say click to begin. You can click that and it will follow you through each spot that where it's asking you to have an action. So we'll press that button and it's taken us to the first sign here spot. Click that little blue box, and you've got a few different ways that you can select a sign. So you can choose a very pretty font, one of these, and then press your adopt signature. You can also draw your signature. Bear in mind, this is really designed for when you're doing it on your phone, and you can use your finger to do it. You can very welcome to scribble in here with your mouse, but it isn't very friendly. So I'll just clear that. You can upload an image. So if you on your computer, you've already got your signature saved somewhere, you can upload the image of your signature, or you can complete on your mobile, which will give you a QR code to scan, and you can open it up on the mobile, which is friendly with the draw signature. With the new system, just be aware we also have the ability now to send it via text. So if we have your mobile number, we will include that, and you'll get it either via email and text. So we will go back up to select a signature, and I will select this lovely signature here and adopt signature. That will then adopt it for any sign here spaces that it's needed in the page. So as you can see, it's taking me to the next spot, and if I just press that, it will drop in these pre-selected. Some will also get an action like this if your bank details need to be confirmed. So if you're getting a nice little refund, we just like to confirm that your bank details are up to date 100%. So you are getting the refund into the right bank and there's no delays. So all I ask, if you're happy with that, is press the button, little tick in that box, and then you're done. So the way to know that you've done all the actions here is up the top or down the bottom, there will be finish signing. So it won't say that unless you've done every action that's needed on the page. So then you just press finish signing and you are all done. It will come up with a message saying you're finished. That's it. All done. Thank you very much. Bye.